Python, exceptions in assignments. If I try the following code, in Python 3.2.2, then it appears that x is untouched, it either remains undefined or keeps whatever value it had previously. Is this behavior guaranteed whenever the right-hand side of an assignment throws an exception? I realize this is a very basic question, but I can't find much information about how exactly assignment works. More generally, is the entire right-hand side always evaluated before anything relating to the assignment happens? Is this even true when using setarch, assigning to an element of a list, or using tuple unpacking, i.e. something like x, y equals y, f?
The Python language reference specifies this. This URL. Python evaluates expressions from left to right. Notice that while evaluating an assignment, the right-hand side is evaluated before the left-hand side. The right side is evaluated, then the left side, then the assignment itself happens. Thus, is guaranteed to print y and fail with name error. It will never raise x or attempt any assignment.
The Python documentation concerning the assignment statement does not explicitly say that the left-hand side of an assignment is never touched when the right-hand side raises an exception, but after reading this article, it seems to turn out that the only way to avoid the assignment is to raise an exception. Conclusion: the left-hand side of an assignment is never touched if an exception is raised.